Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Office Hours Live, the weekly or regularly live stream show directly into the Facebook group, and on recording it will be, or you will find me on the YouTube channel. So let's just make sure that I'm pinned up here so people can get to see it when they come in afterwards, which will be great. Okay, so what's Office Hours all about? Well, every week we're bringing in new people into the Zenler community, and you'll see this in Facebook now where we're doing a welcome post, welcoming new people in, getting them to share a little bit about themselves. And that happens frequently. We've never really done that too much before, but we're now starting to do it more so because we are getting a lot of people coming in and discovering Zenler and wanting to get involved more in the community side of things. So part of what we do here at Office Hours is make sure that people have the availability of the information that they need. As the education department, it's important that you can find what you're looking for to use the platform. And in Office Hours, we tend to go through one of the areas that we've got that will just remind you, jog your memory, show you something new maybe that we've built that will help you with your learning of Zenler and using the Zenler platform effectively. So that's really important that you understand how that is. A lot of people come in and they'll tinker around, but they not really have a deeper understanding of what it is they're doing and why they're doing it. And we have things like the tutorial site that's really good at showing you all of the aspects of the Zenler platform and guiding you to the part that you want. So if you want to create a webinar, for example, how do you create a webinar that's in Zenler, and all of the options that are available to you, and that's all within the tutorial site. There's quite a lot in the platform that you can go through. A lot of people come to us. We are a course platform, learning management system, LMS if you like, and that's why people come here. They have courses, they have information that they're selling, they're having memberships maybe that they're running, and they're helping people to do something or learn something. So but there's often other elements to this. So we have funnels and we have live areas and communities and email system and all sorts of other things that you can get involved in if you wish to just really start to help build your business. So Office Hours is here because it just guides you through some of those parts and shows you around some of the things that are going on and coming up in the very near future. And this week is no different. So I want to take you over to one of the areas that we have that's really useful for you as a course creator, as a person using Zenler, that has slowed down in its subscriptions lately. So we're just reminding people it exists, just so you can see what's happening. So here we go. So let me just share my screen. So this is our YouTube channel. So youtube.com /@Zenler, and on here, when you come on here, you'll see different things. The first thing that you'll see is the new feature releases by date. So we've got a brand new experience for members. So that's about when they come in and what you can do there. Gamification that was launched recently, how to switch it on, how to set different boundaries for different engagements and all of that stuff. It's really cool. If you've not yet delved into gamification yet, then you need to go and have a look at that. We've also got, let me just turn my camera off so you can just see everything. Live stream directly into your community and what that looks like for you. So as you know, we updated the community area earlier this year. It feels like so long ago now when we did this. And as we've gone through the course of the year, we've been improving that area and making it better and better and better. And live streaming was one of the latest features that we put into it. So you can go live directly in your community. It saves your videos for as long as you want them there. None of this deleting after 30 days business. And it's really cool. Live chat in community. So that's a really good addition. Features survey funnels and branching funnels. We don't often hear much about that. That's such a powerful feature to have as someone trying to find information out, help people through stuff. We looked a little bit at that last time in quizzes area within Zenler and the course area, but we've got surveys and branching surveys as a funnel as well that you can get involved in, which is really cool. We've got replays of the day with Zenler. We've got some live workshop stuff here. So that was the community connection workshop. If you didn't get the opportunity to look at that, that was really, really good. So if you're looking for a particular thing on the community area that you've not found yet, the only one that's not on there is the live streaming and the gamification, but everything else should be on there. Live support, desk replays, these are good for when people come in and ask questions, and with bookmarks on there the questions people ask and where in the video you can find them, because they might be the same questions that you have, and therefore you might need the answer to that. So that's quite cool. Office hours, we talk about all manner of different things on office hours. So the replays of office hours go up there, and you might find something. We talked about quizzes last time, so how that can work, how you set one up. They're really easy to do, and the different variations of questions you can have in there. I feel that's something that's really good. Lots of people want to know their students have an understanding of something without going through the to and fro of an assignment. So quizzes is really good at stopping someone, grading it. If they get X amount correct, they can move on. If they don't, they've got to retake it, which means they've got to relearn that module or that lesson. So they're really, really good at making sure your students have the understanding before they move on to the next area of your course. So they're quite cool. Testimonials, the vlog, and some shorts we've got there as well. So this is a really nice area to be. There are videos on here that don't go anywhere else. So if you're interested in getting the shorter versions of some of the stuff that we do, the YouTube channel is exactly the right place for you to be, for you to go and find out that information. So Zenler, youtube.com/@Zenler. Which sort of brings me on to the next part of what we're talking about. And today's office hours, it's not a long office hours today. I'm going to keep it quite brief for you because December's a busy month for a lot of people. You've got Christmas shopping to do and all sorts of things getting on for planning out for what you're going to do over the holiday period. So I wanted to move on to the next thing that we're going to talk about. And this is something that I started 4 or 5 years ago, which was pro user interviews. And these were really cool because what would happen is people would be doing really well on what they're doing with it. They've built something really decent. They're having an element of success. They've built up a nice site, a nice course, whatever it is. And we wanted to show that off and really give a bit of exposure to the pro users that were really smashing it out there. So if you look through some of these, you'll see maybe some familiar names, maybe not. And you can go and have a look and just see what they've been up to. Now I'm bringing that back and we're going to start doing the pro user interviews again. And I'm going to share a link for you. Let me just stop sharing my screen for a second. And, oh, gosh. I've just clicked the video by mistake. Never mind. So I'm just going to grab a link for where you can come in for our next session of a pro user interview. Da, 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 da. Which is this link here. I'm just going to put it into the chat for everybody so you can see it. There we go. So if you want to come on to the next session with and be interviewed by me, it's a really positive experience. And what will happen is you'll get mentioned on our YouTube channel with a link back to your Zenler site. And this creates another backlink for you, so which is always a good thing. And you get free publicity to our nearly 5,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, plus all of the people that watch it that are not subscribers. So there's really no reason not to do it. To do it would be a good thing. So they're coming back and they're going to come back quite quickly. So the first session that we're running is next Thursday. So I'm doing it as a mini group session. So it'll be first in, first interviewed. That's it. And then we'll chop it up afterwards and we'll use it on our YouTube channel and drip that out over the coming weeks. So we're going to be running one of these sessions maybe once or twice a month for you to be able to come in and just show us what you're up to. I'll delve into you and your business a little bit more, find out a bit more what makes you tick, what makes you different, what makes you great at what you do. And then you can tell us all that great information and we can go off and we can start to help promote you, right? Because any form of promotion you can get has got to be good promotion. So we've got our showcase site. So if you've not yet been on that, go and have a look on tutorials, scroll to the bottom and look and click on the link that says showcase. And if you're not in there as well, get your link in there. Go and submit it there, and someone will hopefully at some point update the site and get your link on there to your business. So there's two opportunities for you to get links from our stuff, Zenler stuff, to your sites, which is great, right? These types of links are really, really valuable and you want it, right? There's no reason not to, and it will cost you 15 minutes of your time, which I think in anyone's book is an absolute winner. So, YouTube channel, pro user interviews. And that sort of leads me into, and this is the last thing I'm going to be talking about today, is our upcoming workshop. So let me just share my screen again. So create and launch your New Year's workbook in just 3 days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 15th, 16th, 17th of December, we're running a mini workshop. And this is to give you maybe a template or some ideas around creating your own little workbook or course book with guide or whatever it may be, whatever you want to describe it, that you could put together that's a low level product, designed really easily. One of them will be quite basic, one of them not so basic, that you can just go in and go, right, fill in the blanks sort of thing, and then go off and sell that for New Year. So you can create a New Year's offer. Now, we did this last year and people had a lot of success with it. You can use it as part of a bundle if you wish. So if you want to bundle up a couple of other products that you may have created or courses or whatever it is, it gives you a really nice focal point for you to be able to do that. So we're going to do it over 3 days. The first day is going to be creating your actual product itself. The second day is going to be, well, how do we get that and sell it? Where do we sell it? How do we sell it? And then the third day is going to be going through the launch planner that I put in. So when you sign up for this, you get access to that immediately. And that just goes through your strategy for how you're promoting. Are you doing paid ads? Are you doing normal promotional stuff? What are you doing? How are you doing? And a little bit of tracking in there as well. So it's a really good opportunity for you to get yourself together to get something sold. And I'm all for the, let's build a lead magnet and it's all free, which is great, right? That builds a list, but it doesn't build a list of buyers, right? And when we go from to low level products, so sub $10 for a product, and we did this in the New Year's one, at the Black Friday one last year, not this year, we didn't run it this year, we ran it last year. It was really good because lots of people they didn't make a lot of money, but what they did was they got a list of buyers, people that were willing to hand over a bit of cash for something they saw value in. And that then gives you the opportunity to see if that relationship's going to go any further. So it's really, really good in that way. So if you've not yet signed up for this, it's the pinned comment underneath Office Hours Live. Go and sign up. We've got 100 and something people already signed up for it. So it would be really cool to get that bumped up a little bit. So if we can get up to the 150 to 200 mark, that would be absolutely amazing. I'm going to be there running and sort of the lead on this one, if you like. I think David's going to be there as well, possibly. So it will be an absolute pleasure to get you there. It's 2 p.m. GMT. So a little bit later than our midday workshops that we were running before. So for those of you that were getting up at 6 in the morning, you get a bit of a line. So that will be quite cool. And it will be an absolute pleasure to have you come along. So you've got a couple of things here to think about. The first thing, go and visit YouTube if you've not yet done it, and make sure you subscribe, right? Because then you get notified when we do the new releases of the videos. The next thing is jump on with the pro user interviews. If you've got a pro account, you've got stuff set up and it's looking pretty awesome. As a minimum, you really need some form of opt-in. If you've got opt-ins, courses and all that, community is going brilliant. And then we can start looking to promote you on our pro user interview playlist. And then thirdly, come and join us for the workshop on Monday. So that's going to be absolutely awesome. We've got special Christmas office hours coming up. That's going to be the week after next, where we can go back through what's happened in the last year. So just because sometimes it's nice to reflect and just look at what we've done, where we've been, what we've been up to. And some of you will have come along that whole series with us throughout the course of 2025. And it's just nice to sort of head towards the end of the year, just reflecting and celebrating and looking forward to what's to come for 2026, and I might even have a sneak peek for you for upcoming workshops as well. So that's going to be coming up real soon. So that's the end of office hours for today. Short and sweet, but to the point and really powerful for you. So if you've not done any of those three things, make sure you do at least one of them today to really start moving your business forward. And it can only benefit you. Okay. So try and do one of those things. If you could do all three, that would be amazing. Especially the promotional ones and the workshop, because you're going to walk away with a product that you can sell. And at the very least, you might even put it in as a bonus for something or an upsell for something. So it's really versatile. But the idea of it is to have something really low barrier to entry for New Year that you could just pump out there, and it becomes the initial stage of someone having a paid for relationship with you and your business. So that's what we're heading for. So that's office hours for you. Hopefully you've enjoyed coming along. Let me know in the comments that you're here, you've watched, you're on the replay maybe. That would be amazing. And I'll catch you live very, very soon. I've got something quite special coming up as well. Might do it on Sunday. I'll have to see if I'm available Sunday, but if not, it will be Monday. And we're going to try something different. And if that doesn't get your curiosity piqued, then I don't know what will. Have a great day, everyone. And that's it from me. Over and out. I'll see you all real soon.